Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. The process of enabling voice chat in Roblox is simple, and if you're eager to join the lobby conversation, here is everything you need to know about how to get voice chat on Roblox. Roblox is a hub of countless games which players enjoy from around the world. However, there are some titles that are best played with friends, and this is where the voice chat features plays a significant role. Roblox devs have clearly stated in their blog post that you need to be at least 13 years or older to use the voice chat feature in games. To verify your age, here's everything you'll need to get: the Roblox app, driver's license, passport, or ID card, and then access to the phone's camera. Now that you've verified your age, it's time to activate the feature in the platform. Roblox is available on both PC and mobile, and the voice chat feature can be enabled on both of them. So first, locate and tap on the circle with three dots in the bottom right-hand corner. Scroll down until you find the settings. Then, tap and select Privacy. Under the settings, you will see the communication. It have three questions like who can message me, who can text chat with me in app, who can text chat with me. You can select Always on Friends. Then at the bottom, you will see camera input. You can enable use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. And then the green dot indicate that Roblox is using your camera. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.